Hey friends, Faye here, and today we are comparing ElevenLabs and Artlist.io. And I'm doing this because when people are ready to commit to a tool, they don't search for best tool anymore. Instead, they search for ElevenLabs versus Artlist because they're about to buy and they want clarity. So let's start with the most important point. These tools are not the same category, but they do overlap in real creative workflows, especially when you're producing content end-to-end. Here's the simplest distinction. ElevenLabs is primarily an AI generation platform for voice and audio-driven content. Artlist is primarily a licensed music and sound library, and depending on your plan, may include other creative assets too. So what does that mean in practice? If you need a human-sounding voiceover, narration, dialogue, or a consistent brand voice, ElevenLabs is the tool you are evaluating. If you need reliable background music, licensed tracks, and sound effects you can use safely across content, well then Artlist is the tool you're evaluating. Now let's talk about how creators actually use these. Most creators need both. So you need narration and you need background music and you need some sound design. A lot of creators start with Artlist because the licensing feels simple. So you pick a track, download it, and drop it in. But then they hit a wall with voice. Recording is slow. You need retakes. You don't always want to be on the mic. You want consistency. You want to scale your content. That's where ElevenLabs becomes the unlock. So if your question is, which one should I buy first? Here's my framework. Choose ElevenLabs first if voice is your bottleneck. You create tutorials, explainers, demos, these YouTube videos. You want a consistent voice across your content, or you're publishing frequently. You want to speed up production. These are all reasons to choose ElevenLabs. But consider Artlist first. If you already record voice, your content relies heavily on mood and music, you need a safe licensing, you want a big library that you can use across everything. Now, where ElevenLabs pulls ahead strategically is this. When you build a workflow around voice, your content becomes easier to systemize. You can write a script, generate voice, and then edit visuals around it, especially in a tool like Firefly Video Editor, Premiere, or CapCut, whatever you prefer. Artlist is amazing for making content feel polished, but it doesn't solve the I need narration and I need it fast problem. So my conclusion is this. If you're choosing between the two, don't think which tool is better. Think, what problem am I solving first? Voice and speed, the answer is ElevenLabs. Music and licensing, that is Artlist. And if you're building a serious content engine, the real answer is you may end up using both. If you want, I can also do a follow-up comparison with more direct voice competitors, but for now, this should help you make a confident decision without overpaying it or buying the wrong thing for your workflow. If this helped, I hope you consider subscribing. And if you're brand new, go back to the beginner's guide of ElevenLabs because that's the fastest way to get started. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider introducing a friend or a colleague into this. Let's all be friends and learn AI in a fun and non-intimidating way. So I'm going to see you in the next video.